Working from home has become the dream for many of us. Imagine setting your own hours, working in your pajamas, and still making over $20 an hour. Today, I'm sharing 9 incredible work from home jobs that not only let you control your schedule, but also pay well. And make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the single best strategy to land any of these roles. Even if you have zero experience, trust me, it's a game changer. So, if you're excited about this kind of valuable information, gently tap that like button. And let's dive in. First up is the role of a text analyst. Would you believe you could get paid to analyze text data and uncover hidden patterns? Text analysts are like detectives, examining written content to extract valuable insights and trends. Think of it as converting words into numbers that machine learning models can understand. Pay range: $54,000 to $97,000 per year. This role is perfect for analytical minds who love solving complex puzzles. You'll work with cutting-edge tools like BERT for sentiment analysis, diving into the fascinating intersection of linguistics and data science. Here's what you'll need to succeed: advanced analytical thinking, strong pattern recognition, knowledge of statistical methods, attention to detail, a knack for mastering technical tools. If you're self-motivated, detail-oriented, and love cracking puzzles, this job is for you. Next, we have the audience development strategist. Think of this as the ultimate community building role. Your mission: turn casual viewers into loyal clients. Pay range: $46,000 to $69,000 per year. In this role, you'll create and implement strategies to grow and engage audiences across digital platforms. You'll need skills in strategic thinking, data analysis, content creation, community management, platform-specific expertise. This job combines creativity with strategy, and while it offers exciting opportunities, you'll need to keep up with platform changes and performance pressures. Opportunity score: 8.5 out of 10. If you're interested in developing these skills, check out courses on Coursera. Many are free to audit, and they can give you the foundation you need to excel in this role. Links are in the description below. Are you a numbers person? Then you might love being a money manager, also known as an accountant. You'll oversee financial operations, analyze data, and provide strategic guidance to businesses or individuals. Pay range: $56,000 to $91,000 per year. The great thing about this role: many accounting positions, like bookkeeping, don't even require a degree. If you're detail-oriented and enjoy turning numbers into strategies, this is a stable and high-potential career path. Let's shift gears to the Development Operations Coordinator. In this role, you're the glue that keeps teams running smoothly. You'll handle scheduling, communication, and risk management. Pay range: $50,000 to $74,000 per year. The best part? These skills are transferable to almost any industry. It's a fantastic stepping stone for leadership roles. Ever wonder who's behind those irresistible Instagram ads? Meet the meta advertising specialist. You'll create, manage, and optimize ad campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Pay range: $47,000 to $74,000 per year. This role requires creativity, data-driven decision-making, and a willingness to learn on the go. With the rise of social media advertising, the demand for specialists is skyrocketing. Want to help people protect their future? Consider becoming an advisor assistant. You'll support insurance agents with client management and policy documentation. Pay range: $63,000 to $115,000 per year. This job is all about organization and communication. Plus, it offers stability in an ever-reliable industry. You can work flexible hours, making it perfect for balancing work and life. If real estate intrigues you, look into becoming an acquisitions associate. You'll evaluate and facilitate property acquisitions, often working on high-stakes deals. Pay range: $80,000 to $135,000 per year. This job offers fantastic earning potential through base salaries and bonuses. It's perfect for strategic thinkers who love building networks and gaining exposure to big deals. Last but not least, freelance creative roles like graphic designers, writers, and video editors can earn you $20 plus an hour while setting your own hours. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to get started. So, there you have it, 9 amazing work from home jobs that let you set your hours and earn well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on work from home opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.